Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make custom text voiceovers for Animal Crossing. We're going to be able to type and customize any text you would like. Everything is going to sound like it's coming just from Animal Crossing. I'm going to be giving an example right after this, and then we're going to be jumping right into the video. So to replicate this is actually really easy. What we're going to be doing is coming to this link. Links is always in the description down below. And we're going to be downloading a small JavaScript program that's going to be allowing us to recreate the Animal Crossing voice effect. All we need to do is come here, click download, and then your download will begin. So sadly, I can't take credit for creating this. This is from another creator on YouTube. I'll be leaving a link to his video in the description down below. So if you want to check him out or support him, I would recommend doing that. But let's continue with the video. Once your download is done, what we're going to be doing is clicking on it, and it's going to be inside a zip file. All we need to do is extract this zip file anywhere in our computer. In this case, I have two windows next to each other. I've already extracted this previously, but I'll be deleting it to show you how to do it again. So all we need to do is open up our zip file, simply select all the contents of our zipped folder and just drag them into an empty folder so everything can extract and come out. And just like that, we're ready to go. From this point, we're going to be needing to use Firefox, and it is important we cannot use another browser in this case, at least at the moment. So you will need to download Firefox. I'll be leaving links to this in the description down below as well, just in case you don't have it. What we're going to be doing is opening up Firefox. We're going to be opening up the files we just downloaded and extracted, and we're going to be looking for the index.html file. All we need to do is drag this into a new tab in our Firefox like I'm doing right now, let go, and then we're going to be selecting this file and it will open up this web page. Now this web page is going to allow us to create and translate any text into Animalese. So I can simply write sub to this channel, and as soon as I click speak Animalese, this text will be translated. It works really well. It sounds just like Animal Crossing, and I'm really happy with the overall effect. Now, one limiting thing about this at the moment is it only has one voice inside it. However, if we come back to our extracted system files here, what we can do is come inside the res, we can come into audio, and here we can see all the letters of the alphabet. We can see A, B, a couple of other extra characters, BBBS, BBBS slow, WH, etc. So how this system works is it basically gets each letter individually and then combines them together to make the Animalese. So what you can do is come in here and listen to any of these sounds by double clicking to play them. And you can simply re-record your audio, and if you recreate all of these sounds, you can make custom Animal Crossing voices just for your sounds. So you could recreate all the sounds you need, replace them in this folder, and then you're creating completely custom Animal Crossing voiceover effect. This little application is really cool, it works really well, and it's much simpler than trying to recreate this from hand using any audio software. It'll save you a lot of time. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to create custom Animal Crossing voiceovers. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.